Yeah, that's what I was saying. What's the paper say? Here, I'll hold this.
Wow, that's a big one.
You can't take two. You can't take three. You can only take one.
No, this is the paper right here.
Oh, that's right. Oh.
All right, let's see. Is there space?
Yep, there's spaces.
I have it right here.
Oh, there's,
I got it.
Is there a vape in the bottom of that?
Here.
and where's the thing?
Your pen that you said you wanted. Here, this pen might be
He's
better.
signing his first geocache.
Oh, it's up here.
Those are, these people's names are there. They're just
Where's the others?
Leo. There's a vape in the bottom. And then put 4, 22. It's the year 22.
Oh, I was saying 423 as in the date is the 23, is the 23rd.
Well, it looked like people were writing the month and the year.
Where's the oldest year?
Look at all that stuff in there.
So, let's look at this.
I
Here,
want the horn.
here, let's
Pour
do
it
this.
out.
Someone put that looks like a maxi pad.
Yep, sure is.
Now, what is
Oh.
this?
There's ribbon.
I want to see what this is.
What? Probably another paper that you What is that?
All right, there's a
Open it.
pecan. There's
It's like open.
this. I don't know. It looks like a bead for a necklace. What's the paper
What's
say?
in that bottle?
Look.
Oh, fluconase. It's medicine.
Well, I'm thinking
There's
maybe they
doctors that
put
are doing-
something
Oh,
in there.
there's a new. It's a new. There we go.
There's doctors that are doing
Oh. Hey, so on a cool note, if we ever need fluconase or whatever the hell and some stuff, we can always go to this geocache once zombie apocalypse happens.
There you go.
And
There
we
you
can get
go.
medicine. So which one are you taking?
I'm
Taking the horn? All right. Which one are you
Who
leaving?
means?
Boom.
What?
Boom.
Boom.
Okay, he's leaving stickers. And
Here. Leo. Put it in. Boom is in. There you go. All right, now go put it back.
wow. We'll be back. Careful, don't. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe gloves would be a good idea. No?
Oh, I like that one. No, that's glued in there.
Yeah, it's glued in there. It's just one that you
So there's
find.
nothing in it? I saw something drop.
Yeah,
That was
what-
this.
Oh. So there's nothing in it. So somebody came and got it and then didn't replace it.
All right, so that's
It's
fine.
kind of a,
You sign your name and you still put a sticker in there, okay?
yeah, cool beans.
There you go. Oh, we're following Hannah and Chase. They did the last one.
Oh, man.
Hold it up here so you
Except the last one, it said April 1st, and this one says April 14th.
No,
It said April 14th.
Yeah.
23.
Well, they did it not too long ago.
Okay, we're on to the next. Okay, we're at the third one. Did you find it yet?
Bless you. Someone else needs another than Leo. That's awesome.
Oh, he found it. Woo!
That's not a micro.
That's, yeah. Holy crap.
Somebody else was here today.
Today?
Today.
Wow.
Ew.
Did you write the date?
They're a dog.
When I walked over here, it had a blue.
Here, put it on here, son.
Wonder when the last date was on this one.
Today. Mom just said it.
No, like,
Oh. I mean the first
yeah, that's
found.
what I
2/24.
Holy crap.
July 21. July 2nd,
Count
21.
the penguin.
July
Wait,
21?
no. Daddy, which one should I get?
It says 2019.
Not definitely not that.
Should I get
I'd do the penguin.
That's a. That's.
Oh, I see it now.
You know, most of
Can I see the penguin?
Yeah, it's like in the
It's
very
running
side.
in the show.
Oh, okay.
Madagascar, is that one of the Madagascar penguins?
Oh,
You only get one.
What about
Nah, we have plenty of golf tees, dude. If it would have said like Brundage Country Club or Veterans something, then it would have been cool.
As I walked over the cannon.
Which one you putting in?
Boom.
You already put
Kapow.
boom in.
Kapow.
Kapow?
I said kaboom, but it was kapow.
Alright, you gotta put it back where you found it. That is, wait, let me see. Leo. This is Geo Cache Bicentennial Park, GC1C, Golf Charlie 1, Charlie 6, Delta 5.
Okay, I have to check where we're going next.
Down below. Down below.
Just in case any of you are geocaching, I don't want to give the spot away. Like I did the last 2 or 3. Okay, where are we off to next?
There's one right. We can literally walk to this one.
No,
it's
you can't.
It's purple power.
That's down the street, bud.
That's over there.
Son? Can you please
Okay, be back.
bring it over to Mom?
Wait, what's wrong with this box?
Yeah.
That's kind of stupid.
Yeah, that was dangerous.
Why does have a little kid right in there? I'm a electro man. I'm saying smaller than me.
Another pack of Kool-Aid.
Let's eat it.
Why is it so small? The tiniest pad ever.
Do you want to write your name before we do all that? It's on this one.
Here, I'll hold this for you.
Small.
Your name on the first one.
Jump frog.
I used to play with those all the time. But the jump frogs where you go like this and they would fly up in the air. And
I could never figure out how to work them.
you didn't do it right, they would shoot straight.
I like the poppers where you have like fold in.
Okay.
I could never figure those out. I did it one time.
That's the coolest thing in there.
So hard.
It's a keychain. It's old and nasty. Okay.
Good as that.
Oh yeah, it's in the
yeah.
power. That's smart, Leo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Leo, do you mind if I put this back, seeing it's in a power head?
Yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? I am wore out. Oh my God. It's my grandson's birthday and we went geocaching and I will show you some clips of that. We had a lot of fun. In fact, him and his dad made a geocache and hid it for other people. So we got to put it online and it'll be all official and everything. So we had a good time. And so add some pictures, like I said, at the end. But I wanted to show you my seeds. You know, I watered them and everything, but, you know, last time I looked at them, they were like maybe a ½ inch tall, and then I hurt myself like a dumb bunny. So I'm looking at them last night, and they were doing pretty good. And today, when we came home from the search, I'm thinking, holy crap, they're big. So I could plant them in a bigger pot now, I think. So let me know what you think. If I know the onions aren't ready, but let me show you. Okay, these three, look at the size of that thing. Woo! That one, this one. Oh, there's two in this. Hold on. God, I can't. There's 2 in this pot right here. And then there's one here. Those are sweet peas. And these little skinny things right here in the middle, all 3 of them came up, and they're green pepper plants. The little, these right here, they're green onion. I haven't got a thing, not a thing, out of the cilantro yet. So, but I'm okay. I'm okay with that. So I think at least the peas are ready to go in a bigger pot. What do you think? I don't know. It doesn't really say to when to transfer them into a big pot. I know my tomato plant is doing really good, and I'm very happy about that. I kind of hate to leave because I have to go to Tennessee. I kind of hate to leave because, you know, I'm afraid, I'm almost wanting to take them with me because I'm afraid they won't get the water that they need and everything. But anyway, yeah, what are you going to do? They may not like to travel in a car. So, yeah, I got some pictures from Cindy, and she gave me permission to show she planted seeds too. So she sent me some pictures of what her little garden looks like, and I'm so excited. And yeah, everybody send some pictures, so we'll have a garden club. Ooh, ooh. Oh, God, I am so tired. So tired. Got up. Well, we went geocaching. Then we went to plant a geocache. Then we went to eat at Ruby Tuesday. Then we went to Walmart to get a couple of things we needed. Then we went back to Starbucks to actually get something to drink. And then we came back to the house, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I need a nap. I looked at Tom, I said, are we going to the house yet? So, yeah. Anyway, I'm pooped. I am pooped. Yeah, I got to make a couple videos because I'm getting backed up. There's a lot going on. So I will be adding pictures of Cindy's progress in her garden, and the pictures of the geocaching extravaganza that we did today. He's so happy. He had such a grin on his face. He was serious about it, though. He was serious, but he had a good time. I'm so glad. So anyway, that's about all I got for right now. So I'll add it at the end again. So take it easy and take the long way home.